One of the longing that we humans have is to truly belong. But you know what? It becomes harder whenever we go astray. There is a sense of brokenness that slowly creeps into our heart. We feel very unworthy, so let down, that probably it's even hard to express in words or display our emotions in front of others. It is a feeling of utter despair. But our God is a God who transforms us with so much of love. Even though we are broken, even though we are left, probably because of our own doing, He would still accept us and love us if we turn to Him and gently mold us. We have such an amazing God. And I would like to encourage everyone to just think about His transforming love as we watch the dance performance by Soumya. So please welcome that and welcome her. And after that, we have a worship song by Eternal Life Church of God. So they will be leading us in worship. This is Amazing Grace. Thank you, everyone.